All right, how's it going, everybody? Today we are on our way to a job site that we've been working on. It's a concrete restoration job. They called us in maybe about a year ago. We got in there because we started doing the inspections. After the inspection phase, they hired an independent engineering firm, and then we came back in to do the concrete restoration. The project we're going to be looking at is a pool. It's completely deteriorated at the bottom, and it's in very bad shape, and we've been restoring it, and now we just noticed that the top layer of the pool is in the exact same condition as the bottom portion. So we're on our way to a job site, and we happen to pass by a building I used to live in here in North Bay Village. I used to live in that building when I was about 19 years old. My brother, at the time, it was the real estate boom, and he made his first flip or something on that building. We had a beautiful view. Look! We used to have our jet skis over there. We used to have our jet ski in that marina. We would take it out every day and just go and surf the waves on our jet ski. It was amazing. We arrived at the job site. I want you to follow me so you can take a look at what we're going to be looking at. Some concrete restoration here in a 7th-story building, and I want to show you some things. Let's go. So we did the entire recertification inspection of this building. Everything from top to bottom. We're to the top floor. That's where the work is. So we have the restoration project going on. Permits took 5-6 months for this building. There was a lot of permitting issues. The threshold building. A lot of specifications, clients. I think this is, I'm not even going to say the city, so I don't get any bad reputation right here with any other municipality based soon. Look at that view. Oh, pretty. So here you have the rebar that was corroding. We chipped out most of it. We exposed it. Same thing over here. This is the oxidizing material that we put to stop it's the anti-corrosion material. But as you can see, we're waiting right now for the threshold engineer's inspection, so we could proceed. A lot of cuts, a lot of different areas where we've been working on. But let me show you the worst part. You can see what we've been doing. Come in, Kevin, take a look. See if you can come in here. So right there, those poles right there, that's shoring. We're supporting the system while we do the repairs. So let me walk you through. So here you have the shoring equipment. There you have some of the areas that we've been working on. Yeah, this is what we do. This is what we do here at SUFA Construction Engineering. At SUFA, we do concrete restoration. We do the inspections. We do the engineering. We do everything from start to finish. Concrete restoration, plans, everything included. Something like this has taken us maybe 3 to 4 weeks in the prepping, demolition, rebar injection stage, and we probably have another 2 to 3 weeks to go. So I'll see if we can do another video when we come back in here and do a part 2 to show you how things look once they're finished. We're gonna go upstairs now to see what the top deck looks like, so stay tuned. And we are on the top of a roof deck on the 8th floor. We were called to this project. I'm showing some other videos. We were called to this project to do some restoration on the pool area. If you can see downstairs, you can see down there, we have some portholes where we're going to be pouring some hydraulic cement, Sika products. This pool has been suffering for many years with corrosion, and it corroded the entire base. All the steel reinforcement was corroded. So we came in and we replaced it all underneath, and we're going to use some of these portholes here to pour in our mixture and make sure that we get a nice evenly mixed material down there. There's a video for that. Hopefully you've already seen it. If not, probably in a previous video. But here we are. This is the rooftop. Look at the beautiful views. The beautiful views over there. We're here in South Florida, so we got beautiful views of the ocean. We got beautiful views of the bay area. Look at the water over there. Very, very nice. We got the Miami skyline down there. It's just a beautiful environment to work in. Again, John with Sufra Construction Engineering, doing concrete restoration here and buildings on Miami Beach. Thank you. Bye-bye.